Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Murray from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. We have a giveaway for you in today's video. We are giving away our August eyeshadow palette, which is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. If you do look in the current giveaways in the description box down below, I've got a bunch of them for you. Some of them are ending pretty quick, so make sure to jump on those if you have not already. So let's open up yours so I can show it to you. Here is yours, not swatched, not touched, nothing. Going right back in the box, because I don't want to get the two messed up. Okay, back to mine. I love the Natasha Denona formula, you guys. It is one of my favorite formulas to work with. They blend so easily. They are highly pigmented. If you want a light look, just go in with a really light wash of color. If you do want a more intense, vibrant, fun look, then obviously you can build them up. They last all day. I love the Natasha Denona formula is my favorite formula that I have tried to date. And this is such a fun palette. It looks like a black here, but it's actually a darker blue. So there's so many fun looks that you can do with this. I did create 3 different looks for you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some swatches, and then we'll go into the looks and I'll give you my final thoughts on the palette. I did pick it up from BoxyCharm. It is normally a $48 palette. This one I loved as a transition shade and would set my eyeshadow look. I always use a primer first. It just makes the eyeshadows more intense. And here's this one. You can even contour with the shade, at least with my skin tone. And that is a matte. This is a matte as well, and you could easily use this one as a blush too. I love using this as a crease and all over lid color, and then go in with one of the shimmer ones on top of that. This is such a fun shade. Love using this over the top of that pink. I bet it would look even pretty over the top of the blue too. It makes a really pretty inner corner. Here is that blue. It's kind of like a deep turquoise matte shade. And it looks lighter on the hand than obviously it does in the pan. And then here's this really pretty aquamarine shade. There you go. Okay, let's get into the 3 different looks. So I think I'm gonna go for a look with kind of these 3 shades right in here. So let's go for this one right here. We're gonna put that in our center and kind of all over the lid, this pinky shade. I am gonna take more of a denser brush because I really wanna build up that crease and outer corner build up with it first. Just kind of tapping it on with the tiniest bit of drag at the end. Just kind of looking up, really getting into that crease. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush, no additional product, and just kind of blend that out just a little bit. Now I'm going to take one just above that and kind of work that in almost as a transition shade. I like going over the top of the other one because it helps the blend. Just something that I recently started doing. Now I'm going to take this same shade right underneath the eyes. Really concentrating on that outer corner. Connecting it. And then I want to tightline this, especially on the outside on the lower lash. Bring what's ever left in. And take the same brush that we used for this one and just gently go over that, kind of just blending the two together. I want to take this in the center lid and then probably work to about 2/3 of the way over. Use my finger to start off with, just tapping. I do want to take this one here, and I've got a little bit of shimmer up higher that I wanted to. So I'm just kind of going over that with this. Now, on a little angled mini, I am going to take this one into the inner corner where my finger couldn't reach. Tear duct and lower lash inner corner. Okay, let me go put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. So I'm thinking about going for a blue look today. I will use this one as a transition shade. So let's start with this one right here. Just tapping into the crease and then doing a little bit of a circular motion. Okay, and then I just want to blend that out just a little bit. Keeping my hand further back on the brush. Now, because this is a pretty intense shade, I just want to lightly go into it first. Starting again in that crease. Kind of putting this so it's on the tip of it, looking up. So it brings that blue just a little bit higher. Build up that outer corner. Bring whatever's left, interior of the lid. Now let's work on blending the top part of that out. Okay, now let's go into that brown again. Just really lightly take this on the lower lash. Now I want to ever so lightly take this one and tightline it really close to that lash line. Bring whatever's left inside. And then I like to go back over it with this, just kind of look up and kind of smudge that out just a little bit. Now I do want to deepen up that outer corner. I feel like we kind of lost some of that intensity. Now I want to take this on the very inner and almost halfway. I am going to wet my brush first. Why do I feel like I'm not picking up anything? Let's try wetting that some more. There we go. Use my finger and see if I can get it just a little bit more off. I want to take this lower lash, just not quite to the tear duct, because I'm thinking I'm going to try something else there. But just dipping into this one here. I'm going to take that yellow, bring that in the very inner corner. So I am happy how that turned out. Let me put on some mascara and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final look. Okay, I think we're going to use all the shades for today. I did put an eye primer down. I do want to set it with this shade here. Starting off in the crease. Just little tiny flicks. And then bringing whatever's left up. I do want to take this one into the crease here. Start by just tapping with a little bit of a flick, bringing whatever's left inside. Build up that outer corner. Go above the crease just a little bit. And then kind of blend with no additional product on the brush. Okay, with my finger, I'm going to take this one all over the lid, just gently tapping. I want to build back up a little bit on that outer corner and then take that across the crease. Now I do want to tight line this one on the lower lash waterline. Right, get up right up in there. And then drag it up a little bit. Bring whatever's left inside. And I do want to take that first shade and just kind of go right underneath that and just buff that out just a little bit. Then I want to take this one in the very inner corner on the upper and lower. Okay, let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. So what did you guys think? I love working with this. You can create so many different fun looks with this. It's just an amazing palette, and I can't wait for one of you guys to get your hands on it. Secret word, autumn. And the Natasha Denona formula is one of my favorites. I loved working with this palette, and I can't wait to see some looks that you guys create with it. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAma, A-M-A, and the letter B. You can follow me on Twitter. It's that same BeautyAma B, followed by the number 1. And then you can also share this video. And I'll put in, we do a little spin the wheel, and I'll put in there if you have bonus entries or not. If you do mark that you have bonus entries, please make sure that you guys do what you said that you've done. If not, there are consequences, and those are in the description box down below. Do not put that secret word in the comments, or that will get your entry deleted as well. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. I love it when I can make somebody else happy. Giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And please make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. So after the giveaway is over, I will go in and take the first name, first initial, so your first name, first initial of your last name into our kind of spin the wheel. I will also put in there if you have bonus entries or not. Your privacy is really important to me. Nobody else has access to those Google forms except for me. I do not sell that information or anything like that. And as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete the Google form. So let's have this giveaway go through September 10th. And then on September 15th, that is when we will announce the winners. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. It's obviously one of the conditions for you to win. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark that to all. If you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings, mark those so that way you can receive notifications from YouTube. I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which are a lot here. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.